Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm seeing the DIYs, y'all. Look at this foolishness here. Do you guys see this kind of giant platter here? But with the silver beadwork around the outside? So it's white, but it's got that silver beadwork that's kind of making it feel a little something something. I love that. And then check what else I'm seeing that goes along with that. The bucket. You guys see that beadwork? So this is kind of that ice bucket, and that's a serving tray. That is actually really freaking cute, I think. I don't know. Let me know if you guys think that that's cute. Okay, you guys, something else I'm keeping over here that I could put to work is this decorative cake tray. Now it's basically looks like a plate. It's claiming it's 11 inches, right? Oh, I did not see that. Do you guys see that kind of scalloped part at the bottom? So that when she sits down, she'll have that little kind of lift. Now that is dang cute. And I kind of love the patterning there. Again, these are $2. Really, really nice. Again, I could see some DIYs with that, especially if you are a cake person. It might be good to use as intended, but I do think that this is cool. Okay, y'all, what is this foolishness here? I have never, let me pull that out. You better stop it. That is one of my favorite bowls. Now, I have used these type of bowls. I'll show you guys the plain clear plastic ones for many, many DIYs, but I have never seen this kind of mirrored silver bowl before. It's at the $2 range. It's basically the equivalent. Let me get this out here, you guys. Oh, Lord. Of this bowl, but in silver. Are you seeing that? And I've made freaking lamps with this. I've done so much with these clear plastic bowls. But I think that that's cool because I've never seen the mirrored version before. Okay, you guys, again, thinking about things that we can use for stuff that is not intended. I have no idea how much this is. I'm just going to tell you guys that right freaking now. But it's a table cover roll cut to size, right? They're claiming it is 54 inches wide and 126 feet long. I was trying to see if I could get my kind of eyes on it here, you guys. But that's what the roll looks like inside. And I was just thinking, oh, there's a cutter included. Okay, so that, oh my goodness, okay. A lot of times as DIYers, we're using, you know, different fabrics, friggin' papers, whatever, to get stuff done. And so I'm always looking at the way to get the most bang for my buck for that. And if I knew how much this was, I'd be able to tell you guys if it was a good deal. Let me see if I can track down a price for this. Okay, guys, we're gonna attempt to get the price for this using one of these price scanners. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? That's $1.25 for how many feet was that? For 126 feet of anything for $1.25 is crazy, you guys. That is a wonderful price. If you're looking for easy budget craft supplies, oh, this might be a good one to consider, you guys. Definitely a good one to consider. Super, super cute, you guys. I periodically just look and see if they've come up with any new drawer system designs, and this is my first time seeing this design. I think I almost had it upside down. I love these. These are great. I use these types of drawers to organize my cube systems in my office, and that blue color is so cool. Shout out to my girl Donna, the Creole crafter. She loves the color blue, and I bet she would think this is way cool. Now this one's a little interesting. For some reason that's giving Christmas tree, which is way off season, but I still think it's very, very cute for those of us who like a more muted kind of design, but really nice. And these are all just $1.50, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys, check out what I just saw over here in the kind of gardening section. Now, right away, I'm just gonna let you guys know before we get started that they are $1.50, but look at these cute pots with that yellow and that black, almost kind of like a little butterfly. And then check out these red ones, like a ladybug. And then they've got these purple ones, kind of lavender. Super, super cute. Sorry, you guys, you know I'm over here doing what I can do. And then check out these yellow buckets with the beautiful bee design on there and the honeycomb that is also raised. So just letting you guys know, beautiful pots over here for our gardens, inside and outside. Make sure you guys are checking these out. Oh my goodness, you guys, hold the phone. I'm always like, why is it that when a year passes, I forget whether or not I've seen something or not? But check this out. Let me see if I can get this up. You guys know I'm doing it one-handed. Y'all know how it goes. Oh, look at me. Boom. Check out this new kind of, I think this might be new, kind of garden fencing here. And it looks like this is $1.50. And I know like this one, you know, the one that we know and love, I think this is the same as previous years. She's back out again, but I really like this one because you guys know whenever I'm looking at something, I'm always like, can I turn this into a lamp? And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I feel like I could turn this into a lamp. Put in the comments if you want to see me make a lamp out of some of this garden fence. But yeah, I like this. I could think of some DIYs with this. I think this is a really good find over here in the garden section. Okay, you guys, it's not often that I run up on something and I'm like, what the heck is that? And I'm not sure what this is, but he's cute. Never mind my nails, you guys, I've been DIYing. He is a terracotta watering stake. Oh, wait, what? Does he have like a little hole or something in his bottom? I'm not quite sure how he works, but it looks like he has a little hole in his back. I don't know if water kind of fills there. What are they trying to say happens here? Nobody knows. Self-watering, automatically seeps into the soil. Okay, so I love that. And they have one like that. They also have this really cute bumblebee, which I love. He's also got his little hole there. And then they also have the snail. Very cute. So that's kind of how that works. I love that. I've never seen this before. Make sure to comment if you guys have seen these in action before. Okay, now again, you guys, DIY supplies. So check these out. I think this is my first year seeing these. They're called Stomp Zone, and I think they're for the garden. And they're these kind of, let me get one out for you guys. Like basically a garden stone, but made out of plastic. It's got little teeth so that she kind of grabs the earth, if you will. And it's in this wonderful kind of, I don't want to say it's black, but it's like not black. And then I'm also seeing it in the gray color. And then here's the thing. They also have it in the square. So what was this again? We got the 6 sides, I think, on this bad boy here. Is that right? Or we got 8 sides? Let's not get into how many sides there are because I don't need you guys to roast me in the comments. Y'all will be like, girl, that was a... Okay, just so you know, you get a gold star for knowing. But anywho, they do have it in the square version, and it looks like it also comes in this kind of stone gray, which I think is kind of cool. I like it. And then it also comes in the black color as well. But this is my first time seeing those. I feel like I'm gonna have to use the price scanner one more time, you guys. I didn't mean to move you too crazy because I need to see how much these are. Let's use the price scanner and find out what the price is. Okay, guys. So, whoa, we got it twice, but so these paver type thingies are $3 a piece. Interesting, and they're 13 by 15 inches. So there you guys go. You've got some information. These price scanners, definite lifesavers. Okay, guys, I just wanted to point out something that only us who go into the Dollar Tree all the time would think was crazy. But check these out. So I'm over here in the pet section, right? And there's like pet bowls and pet dental care, which by the way, you guys, Dollar Tree does carry this stuff for $1.50. If you've got a new pet or you've got, you know, somebody who has a new pet and you're trying to maybe make a little gift basket or something like that. But here's what's funny. These frisbees, very clearly a frisbee, is over here in the pet section. I think they thought it was a jog bowl. Or actually, you know what? Call me foul, because it's probably because dogs love to catch frisbees. I didn't even think about that. So these are over here because they're more like dog toys. Okay. Oh, this Darth Vader one is dang cute. Okay, it's starting to kind of make sense. I was just trying to figure out if they had it over here because they thought it was like a bowl. But now it kind of is coming to me that it's a dog toy, right? You start one of these, dogs love to catch him. Look at SpongeBob. Love it. Okay, you guys, I'm just checking out, but check this out. I think these are only $1.50. That's what it says on there. And it's this butterfly hanging decor piece. It's almost like a mobile or mobile. Is that how it's pronounced? You guys tell me in the comments. But it's this beautiful kind of ombre butterfly situation. And there's one that comes in purple. Let me think I see back here, you guys. And then it comes also in this beautiful kind of pink color. That is the coolest thing I think I've ever seen. And for the price, I don't think you can beat that. So it looks like it's kind of, the butterflies are cut out on some like thick cardstock, and then it's kind of gotten that kind of yarn piece. Very cute. And at the $1.50 price, I don't think that this is a bad deal. I think this is a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.